Hi, Joe Rafael with Cycle Suspension. Been doing suspension for about 30 years.
You know, what type of bikes do you work on?
All kinds. I mean, anything. Street bikes, dirt bikes. If it has suspension, I mean, I can pretty much do it. Road race bikes, I do have some road race clients. Tooling wise, if I don't have a tool, I just make my own tools. Been doing that for about, I got my first lathe about 10 years ago and kind of never looked back. Just started machining parts and tools and...
See, you got all the specialty tools that we don't have. I think if we get both shops together,
make something happen.
Could you do just front forks? You do rears? What exactly?
I do everything. I mean, I am full service suspension, forks, shocks, revalves, respring. I can do I'm a dealer for Olin's and K-Tech, so I can do any of their kits, you know, like as in drop-in cartridges. I can do just about anything suspension-wise.
Goes wrong, and why do you have to rebuild them?
I mean, just the seals and basically contamination from the oil going bad, you know, just over time, loses its nitrogen charge, and just needs to be freshened up from time to time. Normally about 50 hours is good for most bikes.
The oil that goes in the rear shock and the front shocks, are they different?
They are different, yep. The viscosity in them is different, and one's designed to be under pressure and the other is not.
Oh, so they're specifically
The
designed
shocks
for...
are pressurized.
Okay.
so the rear shocks are pressurized in the cylinder. The front forks are non-pressurized.
Yep.
Okay.
Now, some of the newer forks are pressurized with a pressure spring, like the forks you're picking up, your RM.
Oh, okay.
It has a pressure spring. But
Thank
it's not
God I
high
didn't open
pressure.
those up.
But it's not high pressure.
Oh yeah, but I would have ruined it.
Well, do they compartmentalize it then?
Yeah, it's a sealed chamber on like his RM forks.
Okay.
Okay.
This is why we let you do your magic.
Yeah.
You know, we...
A man has got to know his limitations.
Yeah, and we've gotten over our heads so many times that, you know, we're learning. You only have to beat me up a couple times and I figure it out.
That's how you learn, though.
Yeah. Well, the shop,
Cycle Suspension.
Cycle Suspensions in Haslet.
Hey, welcome back. So, we went to Joe over at Cycle Suspension. Joe did a fabulous job. We got the forks all taken care of. He took care of us. Very happy to have someone local in the neighborhood who knows what he's doing. Joe has over like 30 years of experience. This is what he does. While we're waiting on parts to get delivered, went through, just kind of scrubbed everything up, just polishing stuff. Got the axle, it's all ready to get greased up, lubed up for it. What I noticed was we are missing a bolt. That's what the zip tie is for. Remind myself about that bolt. I don't have this exact bolt, but what is unique about it is it has a chamfered edge to it for the rotor when it slides in. So we'll go ahead and install this. That'll work out just fine. And we'll go ahead and put this thing back together, and hopefully if the weather gets a little bit better around Texas, not being 100 plus, we'll get this back out and we'll take those forks for a test drive and try to tune them in a little bit. You know, just the softening and hardening of the rebound and compression. So we'll check it out. So when you're doing a forks, make sure you note where it is. I took pictures before I did this. This is the correct way. See, there's that little line right there. Look over here. It's kind of your witness mark. So, let's see if we can't do this. Right there. That's what we want. Go ahead and tighten all these down. Get the impact, do what we need to do.